Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going down a hiking / biking trail, and what we're going to do is we're going to test the stabilization of this OSMO 2 mobile. We'll see how well it holds up to a little bit of running and just regular walking. Alright guys, so as you can see, just kind of walking down this trail, steady pace. Nothing too crazy. I got it in follow me mode, so if I look down, it looks down. If I look up, it's going to look up. And obviously if I look left and look right, it's going to look that way. So just going down the trail. Alright guys, so I got my GoPro on my head, and I got the OSMO 2 with my phone in front of me. What we're going to do is try to compare the two so you can see how much better the stabilization is on the OSMO. Just doing a steady walk here. I'm going to jog a little bit here. Like I said, on top of my head right now is the GoPro Hero Session. It has built-in stabilization and it is on. We'll go ahead and do another run here. Jog. Alright, we'll go ahead and run up this hill. Pretty sandy. Alright guys, so the next thing I want to do is I want to try the face tracking mode. So I'm going to click on the face tracking icon, click on my face. Now the gimbal should move whichever way my face moves. Seems like it's tracking me pretty good. So this is kind of cool if you're actually doing maybe a how-to video or something. If you move too fast though, it loses you. So slow movements. Right there, it lost me again. Now it found me. Seems like it's having a little bit of trouble. Might be because of my hat. Yep. Seems to be tracking me fine now, so it's because my face was dark. So it seems to be tracking me good, as long as there's light on my face. It's a little jittery, going back and forth. Not too sure why it's doing that. Lost me. Lost me again. So the face tracking's whatever. It's not the best. It works a little bit. Probably if you're not doing a lot of movement. Like right now it seems like it's floating upwards for some reason. I'm going to turn this off. So all in all, I'd probably pass on the face tracking unless you're doing, say, like video on a couch or something. You don't have that much movement. Probably work fine for that. Alright guys, so I'll give you a quick conclusion and update on the Osmo Mobile 2. I ended up taking it back to Best Buy. I realized after using it for a couple weeks, it really wasn't for me. I really didn't want to end up using my phone as a camera. It doesn't have much memory in it, and the memory in it isn't interchangeable, so it seems to fill up pretty fast. Another thing, I didn't really like the face detection. It seemed like you get lost in it a lot, so that was a downfall. And I really just wanted a gimbal for my GoPro ultimately, but I got sidetracked and I had seen the DJI Mobile, so I wanted to try that out. So all in all, I ended up taking that back, and I went ahead and I picked up the Karma Grip. I actually got this on GoPro's website as a refurbished model for 200 bucks, opposed to brand new for 300 bucks. So I've been using this for the past couple weeks, and I'm enjoying it. Seems to work well, and ultimately, like it says, I wanted to use the GoPro camera, not my phone, so it works for me. If you guys are interested, maybe I'll do a video on this, do a review. I've already actually used this in one of my videos. The last video I did for the Impala, where I primered the Impala, I actually used this grip with the GoPro on it to take some of the footage, so it seemed to work well. If you guys found this video useful, hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing here, hit that subscription button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys know when I post my next video, and I'll talk to you guys later.